Hi, welcome to Smari Kenya. I'm so excited to show you how you can make money from cryptocurrency trading. Before you start trading cryptocurrencies, there are these steps you should follow first. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. I'll advise you to try out Binance, and without doubt, you'll have the greatest trading experience. Create an account in Binance. All you need to do is fill in information they are asking for and verify your identity. Fund your account. You can deposit as low as $10 into your account, where with great trading expertise, which I'm about to give you, turn it to $1,000. Place your order. Finally, you need to place your order. This involves specifying the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell and at what price. Those are the steps to get started. However, that's not enough to make millions of cryptocurrency trading. What I'm about to tell you is the most important, so listen keenly. When you want to trade a digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, among others, first make sure you've watched its trend. Then analyze this trend and understand what it means. For example, bear market, which means that the supply is greater than demand, confidence is low, and prices are falling. So, you probably want to wait till this takes a dip, and just when the bullish market starts, then make your order. Now, most people often fail at this point when vices such as greed, anxiety, and impatience start getting the better part of them. You ought to understand that this is a real and not ideal situation, and when bullish market starts, the prices won't rise suddenly. This will happen gradually, and so you have to hold your cryptocurrency right by your heart and don't get intimidated to sell. Keep looking at the trends, and when you're confident that it's a good time to sell, make your sale. Again, don't get greedy and wait for prices to keep rising, because you might get a heart attack when prices fall instead. This is pretty much what you need to have at your fingertips before you start making money off cryptocurrency. Make sure you understand what I've just said clearly by watching the video. This video comes to an end. Let's meet in the next video for more money making ideas and info. Like, share, and subscribe.